Hello dear students. Today we are going to see how to prepare and sterilize culture media for fungi. So aim of the practical is to prepare and sterilize culture media for fungi. The requirements are apparatus, that is conical flask, glass rod, burner, water bath and beaker. Chemicals, glucose, peptone, agar, distilled water, and equipment required is autoclave for sterilization. So principle is that the nutrition is required for all living things, and fungi like all living cells require energy and nutrient. So fungi are non-motile eukaryotic organism which exist as saprophyte and parasite. So media which is used for the growth of the fungi may be liquid, solid or semi-solid. And the growth requirement for fungi may vary from strain to strain. Generally, the media contain the source of carbon, nitrogen, and vitamins. Glucose is the most widely used component in the media. Fructose and mannose are next, and sucrose may be used in some media. Nitrogen sources which are used in media include the peptone, yeast extract, malt extract, amino acid, ammonium, and nitrate compounds. Salts such as iron, zinc, and manganese are often added to the defined media, but usually they are not added in the common media which is used for the routine culture. The fungi have natural deficiencies for vitamins that are satisfied at a small concentration. And the most commonly naturally occurring vitamin deficiencies are thiamine and biotin. So depending on the media, it will affect the colony morphology and color of the colonies formed. So and it may affect whether the fungus will grow in culture. For example, some fungi lack the necessary enzymes to utilize different carbon sources. So depending on the requirements, you have to select the media for the fungi. In general, there are two types of media, that is defined media where all its components are known, and undefined media or undefined media where most compounds are unknown, which are also known as the natural media. So what are the common types of media which is used for culturing the fungi? The very first media is the potato dextrose agar, which is used for the isolation of fungi and molds. So component or composition is, that is the potatoes 200 gram, agar 15 to 20 gram, dextrose 15 gram, and distilled water 1000 ml. Then comes corn meal agar, that is CMA, which is used for growing a wide range of fungi, and also it is used for growing the imperfect fungi, that is fungi imperfecti. It provides a good balance of mycelium growth and sporulation because it has less easily digestible carbohydrate, that is the corn meal. So the components are agar, which is 15 to 20 gram, then corn meal, that is 20 gram, and distilled water 1000 ml. Then comes the malt extract agar, which is used for culturing the fungi from soil, and it lacks peptone, and it is used in culturing the Ascomycota, where sporulation in some species is inhibited by peptone. So the composition is malt extract, that is 20 gram, agar 20 gram, glucose 20 gram, distilled water, that is 1000 ml, and sucrose may be added 200 gram for malt extract agar plus sucrose. Then comes saboraud dextrose agar. So it is a standard medium used for the recovery and maintenance of wide variety of fungi commonly isolated in the clinical laboratory. and the components are glucose 20 gram, peptone 10 gram, agar 20 gram, and distilled water 1000 ml. And we are going to prepare today the saboron dextrose agar. Then Zapec dox agar, that is used for the isolation and culturing of saprophytic soil microorganism. The composition is sucrose 30 gram, sodium nitrate 3 gram, magnesium sulfate 0.5 gram, potassium chloride 0.5 gram, ferrous sulfate 0.1 gram, dipotassium hydrogen phosphate 1 gram, and agar 20 gram, and distilled water is used to make up the volume to 1000 ml. So what are the morphological characteristics of fungi? So these are non-motile eukaryotic organisms. They possess differentiated nuclei surrounded by nuclear membranes. So as they are eukaryotic organisms, so they are having membranous structures. They reproduce either by budding or forming the spores, and they are non-photosynthetic. Morphologically, they can be seen as a simple oval cells or non-long tubular septate hyphae. That is, they may appear as a filamentous structures. So fungi grow as thread-like filamentous microscopic structures which are called hyphae, and this hyphae collectively aggregate to form the mycelium. So hyphae can be septate, that is they can be divided into compartments separated by septum, and each compartment may contain one or more nuclei, or they can be coenocytic, that is they lack the hyphal compartmentalization. They can be unicellular or multicellular, and most are microscopic molds or yeast. So common ingredients of media which are used for fungi are water, peptone, glucose, and agar. So what is the today we are going to prepare the saboron dextrose agar, that is the basic culture media which is used for the fungi. So the composition for the culture media for fungi, as I have told you, glucose which act as a carbohydrate source, peptone 10 gram that act as a source of amino acid, and agar which act as a solidifying agent, and distilled water which is act as a vehicle. So let's see the procedure how to perform the or how to prepare the culture media for fungi. Hello students. Today we are going to see how to prepare culture media for fungi. The requirement for this practical is conical flask, glass rod, glucose, peptone, agar powder, and to adjust the pH, that is 1 normal NaOH or 1 normal HCl. So let's start the preparation of culture media for fungi. Now we have to prepare 200 ml of culture media for fungi. For this I have taken 200 ml of distilled water, to which I will add and dissolve all the ingredients, that is the glucose as well as the peptone, into this water, and I will dissolve it, except agar you have to add all the ingredients. So now we have dissolved the glucose as well as peptone in this 200 ml of water. We have determined the pH using pH meter, and then we have adjusted the pH of the media to pH 5.4 using 1 normal NaOH or 1 normal HCl. Now we'll slowly add agar, and then we will dissolve it with the aid of heating. So slowly I am adding the agar into this liquid media. Now we will dissolve this agar into this media with the aid of heating. So I am keeping this it in water bath and I will heat this, dissolve this agar with the help of this heat until I get a clear solution. So clear solution of this agar have been obtained. Agar has completely dissolved in this solution. So likewise you will get the culture media for fungi. I have plugged this flask with this non-absorbent cotton, wrap it with newspaper, and now this flask is ready for sterilization at 121 degrees Celsius in an autoclave. So this was all about how to prepare and sterilize culture media for fungi. Thank you students for listening. So here you can see the pressure have been reached up to 15 psi. You have to hold the autoclave for 15 minutes from now onwards. That is the holding time for 15 psi is 15 minutes. Now the holding time is over of 15 minutes. We will switch off the autoclave. Now we have switched off the autoclave. Here you can see the pressure is coming down. Slowly we will release this release valve. So the excess steam will be released from this release valve. So slowly we have to loosen this valve so that the steam which is generated inside will come out. Also you have to make ensure that ventilation is there, otherwise the steam will get accumulated into the lab. So slowly release the valve to remove the steam. So we'll see the procedure. We have already discussed the procedure. So weigh all the additives and dissolve all the additives except agar in appropriate volume of distilled water. Adjust the pH of the fluid medium using 1 normal HCl or 1 normal NaOH. Then add agar powder and the medium is heated to dissolve the agar to form a clear liquid. The medium is dispensed in flask. Plug the flask using non-absorbent cotton and sterilize the media at 121 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes using autoclave. For fungi, you require the acidic pH that is 4 to 6. Okay, so the medium should be adjusted to the acidic pH. So what is the result? That is the culture media for fungi was prepared and sterilized using autoclave. So question bank include: write the composition of culture media for fungi with role of each ingredient. What is fungi and explain the morphological characteristics of fungi. Write the composition of the following media, that is potato dextrose agar, sabouraud dextrose agar, Zapat dogs agar, cornmeal agar, and malt extract agar, and classify the fungi. So this was all about how to prepare and sterilize the culture media for fungi.